Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel if you're new here. Hello, my name is Rebecca and I hope you're having a great, fantastic day. Now in today's video, I'm going to be playing with the Revolution Lip Shape Lip Kit. Now I'm quite intrigued by this because it says it's meant to be a very long-lasting lip colour on your lips, so I'm quite intrigued by this. So I'm going to apply this to my lips and give you guys my honest thoughts about it. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow on Instagram if you want to, link is in the description bar down below. So if you guys want to know my thoughts on the Revolution Lip Shape Lip Kit, just keep watching. Right guys, let's play around with the Revolution Lip Shape Lip Kit. This is what the box looks like. So you have your lip gloss, your lip liner and your, I think it's called a lip setter, which sets the colour in place. Very similar to the ones they used to have, which were based on the Kim Kardashian lip kit. And also similar to the Max Factor lip kit as well. So they had like the liquid lipstick and a lip balm, which was pretty much Vaseline on the other end. That one was pretty good as well. I love that one. I actually wore that on my wedding day as well. On the side of the box as well, it comes with the instructions on the side. And this side has the information as well. And it has loads of lip imprints all over it as well. This did come in like a different variety of shades. So I chose one of the darker shades they have, which is called Cocoa Brown. I'm hoping this goes with my eyes because my eyes are a bit smoky today. So it says lip liner, lip setter, and finish off with the gloss. So let us see. So here's what they look like. So I believe you have the lip setter on one end. Oh, this one's, oh, it's not, it's a twisty one. Okay, so this is the lip setter. So it's completely clear. You have your retractable brown lip liner on the other end. And then this one's just a squeezy tube brown gloss. Let us do the... It says to do the lip liner first. Okay, that lip liner went on really well. It filled in really nicely. The only thing is, it's such a shame there's no sharpener with it. Because, as you can see, it's gone pretty much non-pointy already. So, it's a shame I can't really sharpen it to make it pointier again. But anyway, this is now on. Let's apply the lip setter. Ooh, doesn't really have a smell to it. Okay, that lip setter has kind of removed a little bit of the lip liner that I had. I guess that's why we've got the gloss, so that way we can add a bit more of the pigmentation back and also for comfort as well. I've let this dry for a good 5 minutes and it hasn't really dried or anything. So I'm going to apply the gloss now. You can see it's a very dark chocolate brown lip gloss. Doesn't really have a smell, so we're just going to apply this on the top. Alright guys, my lips feel extremely comfortable. I love the pigmentation, I dig it. The pigmentation is so there. I love it. Now, I think the idea of this is, I think this is supposed to be like a lip stain because the gloss, as soon as I kiss the back of my hand, it's going to transfer and make a huge mess. Once the gloss is gone, I believe it's supposed to just leave like a natural brown lip colour underneath this gloss that I've got going on. So I will give you guys an update on here, or if I forget, I will put it in the description of my update with this lip shape lip kit. But if the colour completely comes off my lips and there's nothing there at all, then I don't recommend it at all, and you can just get a liquid lipstick and lip liner and do exactly the same job and get a gloss and that will all do the same thing. Or you can just buy a lip stain and that will just stain your lips completely and it will not come off, and you can add some gloss for extra comfort and rehydration so your lips don't feel dry. So there are alternative options you can do for things to last. I'm going to do the rest of my base makeup and I'll give you guys an update on this lip shape. Alright guys, so I'm going to start removing this lip product and we're going to see if there's a stain. There's nothing on it, it's just one of those magic eraser cloths, so let's see if it's done anything underneath. Oh, okay. As you can see, it's completely gone. There's no stain. There's nothing underneath. Oh, well, that's a little bit disappointing. Unless it means like when you're eating food or something. So when you're eating something, it will leave like a tiny bit of colour behind. But, oh, I thought it would leave like some sort of stain or something. Oh, that's a bit disappointing. Removal wise, like there's nothing on this at all. It's just one of those magic eraser cloths. So there's no like actual additional micellar water or anything on it. So, oh, I'm a bit disappointed, to be honest. That's a shame. But never mind. Still a very pigmented, pretty colour nonetheless. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video today. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to go on Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye guys. Take care.